Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited because I got my Plum Paper Personalized Planner, and I love Plum Paper for their planners because they're totally customizable. They have lots of different kinds of planners. You can get, if you're a teacher, there's student planners as well, different layouts as well, vertical layouts, horizontal. You can go monthly, daily, grid, whatever you want. I just needed just a personal planner for some stickers and I just needed a personal planner and some stickers, so that's what I got. So I picked out this tie-dye design as well as the color, shape, and wording in the middle. You can do your initials, your name, a quote, whatever. I decided with a quote which reads, "So that with good courage we say, the Lord is my helper, I will not fear." Hebrews 13:6. So I should have picked a different font so it would be more visible, but that was my mistake, so that's on me. So when you first open the planner, it gives you 2020 and 2021 calendar, and then it gives you a space for special dates reminder, and blank space for ideas, plans, and goals. Each month it gives you 3 circles to write down your monthly highlights, birthdays, events, and things to remember on the left, and space for notes on the right. This usually is where I write down my monthly expenses and memorable quotes. Next, you have 2 full pages of the entire month, and then it goes to the design I picked out, which is the Vertical Priorities 12-month planner starting in June 2020. My birthday's the 31st, so I like to start my planners in June. The left page and the right page is all 1 week, starting from Monday to Sunday. That's what I decided. I named these sections Reminder and To Do, which is totally customizable, and on the top right I customized the workout section as well. Now jumping back to the planner, you have the space for passwords on the left and contacts on the right. The next page is some more contacts and the US holidays there. And lastly, you have the 22 calendar and a front and back pocket to put anything that you need in there. So that's my little planner. Again, I love it so much, but let's get into these stickers. Here are the home stickers, which is a set of 4 different sayings like home sweet home, shopping, errands, trash day, birthdays, doctor's appointments. There's, just cute designs on there and just everything home related that you need. And we have our summer set here, which is another set of 4, and you see some cute watermelons, cute designs, pool floats, tacos, margaritas, vacay all day, mermaids. So it's really cute, and I love the colors. But last but not least is the Halloween stickers. This is a set of 2, but I will be using each and every single sticker for the month of October. I love the witches, the mummies, the trick-or-treats, witch's hat, black cats. It's just, I love Halloween, so I'm so excited to use these. But I'm gonna show you this notepad that I just got for free for purchasing the planner. They had a deal, but the paper is really thick and good, so I wanted to show you that. But I just want to leave you here with the quote I wrote and just a reminder to stay positive in these times. 2020 has been a trying year for everyone, no matter who you are. So just stay safe, stay positive, take a break off social media if you need that, call your loved ones, stay organized so you stay sane, and stay blessed. Love you guys so much. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment down below, like the video, and subscribe for more. Love you.